What's up, buddy? Back to my channel, and today we are playing natural disaster. Okay, the name is natural disaster. Wait, we are back, everybody. Well, that was weird. Okay. What is this? Guys? What is this? Let's go. Green light. It's gonna be yellow, guys. It's gonna be yellow. What? I'm dead. What? One. Okay. I'll be pressing the button. I'll press the button. Alright, this is my favorite. Huh? Okay. Begin. Whoa! Mesh. Huh? He fell. What? Huh? Okay. Let's go press the button. Oh, this one. Ooh. Wow. Okay, we are doing this. Okay. Oh, Squid Game. Do that. Huh? Oh, come on. Do that. Guys, you will not believe it. Oh. Okay. What's next? Oh, yes. The final moment. Yeah, I did it. Okay. Oh, this one. You will watch this until this is gonna be awesome. Heck no. Heck yes. I fell. No. Okay, that was all. Oh no. Blue. Ooh. Wait, how did he know? What? Oh no. So we're gonna do this, right? No. Okay. Oh no. I'm lagging. Oh no. That not did not. Okay. 100 coins. Oh, this is 15 Robux. Okay, I don't have enough Robux for that. I have 10 Robux now. We start over with yellow Oh! Hey. I don't want to be invisible. Let's go be invisible. What? Go. I'll be doing this for a while. Wait. What? It's not there? Oh, Spider-Man. I saw Okay, speed run. Go. I'll be first. Okay, no, that girl is first. Wait, I'm so confused. Who's first? No, I'm lagging! No! I'm gonna do that after the timer. Guys, go! Go. Okay, I have to hear you guys out there. OMG. Oh, I'm done. Guys, I'm done. Okay, we are finally done. Nothing happened. It's okay. Okay, time to press the button. Whoa, Spider-Man is dead. Okay. Whoa, is he okay? Okay. Oh. Boom. See? Eh? Huh? Eh? Oh. Okay. Everyone here. Here. Then here too. Okay, we are gonna run to it, but yeah. Guys. Wait, guys. Come here. Yeah. Wait, no, I'm incorrect. I'm incorrect. Guys, have to hurry. I'm lagging. Okay, I'm still here. Lagging. I was lagging. How? How did I lag? How did I lag? Okay, we don't know. What? What should we do? What? Oh, spam clicking. I'm clicking so much, I think. Okay, this is okay, I love this. Wait, no, I did not deserve to die. No! I'm lagging. Oh, full space though. Oh my god, that's good. Oh my god, look at my pants, no Robux. Okay. Okay, come on. Wait guys, wait. My phone just rings. And okay, let's go. Wait. No. Wait, get double. Oh no. Oh, come on. Press the button. Okay, we're good. Yeah. Why is this girl so dumb? Oh, Spider-Man is here. Spider-Man is here. Spider-Man. I got it. I got it. Ha. It's gonna explode. Come on. Get out of here. The girl. He thinks we're all gonna die. But no. Oh yes. Now click. Click. Come on. What? Am I clicking it? No. I'm lagging, guys. Look. I'm lagging. Okay, I'm gonna invisible. I'm not gonna play. I'm just gonna do this. Yeah. Wow, no! My hair is bald. Haha, somebody died. Oh, 2 people died. Okay. So, it's Dodge! Don't you? No, don't leave me. Stop noise the boat. The door. Oh, I almost fell, guys. The long one was. Oh, yeah. No. Don't. Oh, Bajo. No, Bajo, you're gonna fall. Go. Don't fun. What? No, that's your fun. No. Okay. I love this. How many days are there in avocado? What? Too late. Too late. Okay. Whoa, dropping noobs. No love. Yeah, that's a victory. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Jackpot. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Guys, I love this. I love this. I love this, guys. Oh my god, guys, I love this. Ducky. 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 Is there Ducky? Ducky? Ducky. No, miss Ducky. No, he's gonna win, I think. He did not win. I'm gonna win, I think. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Okay, I win, right? Yeah, we did it, boys! We did it! Then we just got free. Stop blocking her. Okay, come on. Why he fought? No, no, no! I did not deserve to die. You need to see that. Oh, no one. I don't know if you people out here. Skip. I pressed OMGs. OMGs. Oh no. I almost died. Okay. What is it? Oh yes. I knew it. I was just thinking about this because I played this in a long time. Even my old one. No. No. Almost there, Spider-Man. I'm in the lead, so Spider-Man's in my back. No, I fall. No, 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 no. Whoa. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to join the squad. Peace.